morning guys, it's morning 9:20 in the morning and today is, let me check, today is 7th of October, Monday. So what's so special about today and why I'm just vlogging right now? Well, nothing special. I just got a call in the morning that my family members are in Vellore, and if they are in Vellore, it is just 270 or 280 kilometers from my home. Why can't I go and meet them? I know it's office in the night, but who cares? I just have to meet them. It's been like 4 years and almost 4 years. 2015 I last saw them, and it's been like a long time. I have a niece there. I have not seen her for a long time. So I'll go to Vellore, meet them, hopefully do some sightseeing.
So guys, we are starting our journey to Vellore, and it's almost 10 in the morning, almost reaching Palpane. It's just only 7 or 8 kilometers from my home. The thing is, from here I have to take a right towards Chennai, and I know I have to go to Perambur. After that there will be a diversion, but I'm not sure how. So from here onwards, we are going to be depending on totally and initially everything on only one auntie, that's Google auntie. She is a trusted but not so much trusted, but yet can be trusted source in India. So this is Palpane, and once I take a ride, I will be on the way to Chennai. It's 21 kilometers and Vellore is 260 kilometers to be exact from my home. Okay, here we start our journey to Vellore. This is the first time journey I'm doing more than 200 kilometers, and the funny part is I'm having a pillion with me. I can't reveal who is the pillion, but there is Perambur So it's 10:50 in the morning and just 40 kilometers out of Trichy, and we already took a halt for tea and coffee. Feeling very tired, that's the reason, but not a big issue. We'll be going. We'll get back on the bike, just having tea, coffee, some kadala mithai. Hey, come here. Nice to meet you. Okay, we have started our journey back. This is a very good guy actually. I love them. The way they treated, they were good. Maybe because they found something extra. So Vellore is now 161 kilometers. Okay, I hope that the next 161 kilometer is not like this single way.
Okay, so for a time check now, it's almost 1:30. I planned to reach there by 2. It's not at all possible. Let's see. I'm just standing in some petrol pump to fill my Hachiko. It's really thirsty and I just filled her up. I just cleared her thirst and I'm ready to go right again. Taking some break, tea, coffee, and then I'm ready to set to go. Just I'm looking at the people, he's just staring at me. Awkward, right? So this is the OYO room that we have booked. It's almost 9, I guess. 9:18 in the morning. It's the next day. So yesterday night I had a very good sound sleep. Obviously after 270 kilometers of ride in Pulsar, it was good. The highway was really good. Last 100 kilometer stretch was a really bad one. It was through the villages. Numerous uncountable bumpers. The roads were under construction and maintenance. It was like a hectic one. But anyways, I woke up around 6:30 in the morning. Went out, had some coffee. There was nothing to show actually. So what's the plan for today? So what I'm thinking is there's a Vellore fort here, made by Tipu Sultan, I guess. I'll Google that part and I'll let you guys know. So what's my plan is, in the morning time I'll go to the Vellore fort, explore that part if camera is allowed, and in the evening I'll go to the Golden Temple. It's a really good place. In Golden Temple there is no cameras allowed. Last time I came was in 2010 or 11 and that time the cameras were not allowed. And now I'm not sure if I'm get a permit by paying some amount. If I can go take my camera in, I'll definitely take and show you guys about the Golden Temple. And otherwise, just we'll go and see the fort and I'll enjoy the temple and you guys come and enjoy the temple too. As of now, I'm in that OYO hotel, Bhanu Residency. It's a really good one. We even got a complimentary breakfast. I didn't record that one. I was so hungry to eat, I just ate it. Anyways, if you see your symmetrical face, red, It's not a filter, nothing. The sun is rising on the east, and our window is totally facing the east, and the curtains are totally. I'll show you. As you can see the curtains, so the sun ray is falling in the curtains, and that curtains are filtering it, and with that filter my face comes like this. Basically it's black face, but due to this filter it's changing. Anyways, the color looks good, right? Anyways, with that said, I'll be heading out right now. I'll have a grab some breakfast. This was a complimentary breakfast, not too much, 2 idlis and 2 vadas, it's not enough. So now I'm going to Banerjee restaurant. I'm not sure of the hotel name. Actually, it's an authentic place to eat Bengali food, and since I'm a Bengali, I'm a really big foodie and I love eating food. So I'll go there, try to eat some authentic Bengali food and try to record it, show you a little bit, and then we'll see what to do. Till then, we'll see.
It's around 10 in the morning and I am already set and on the way for my breakfast. We are going to the Banerjee Cafe now for having my breakfast. I'm with my family members. As usual, the smallest one first. Then, okay, let me get to the auto first. Do you understand? This is really next level kind of English. It's not my thing. I poor people, poor English. I speak, I go, I come. He is speaking, come, go, everything. I poor people. So anyways guys, it's 10:30 now and we are in the Banerjee hotel to eat our breakfast. So we ordered some Luchi, Bengali traditional food, Luchi Torkari and Ruti Torkari. I'll show you guys. If water comes to your mouth, it's not my issue. You have to come to this hotel and eat it. It's 11:20 now and we are waiting for our parcel. We are not going to go, we are not coming back for eating. We are just waiting for the parcel. Once we get it, we will be on our way home. The food here, actually the food here is really delicious. If you want authentic Bengali food, that's about the dinner thing. But as of now, as for lunch, this is the best place you can come. Just come to CMC in the opposite, there will be a room. Just enter on your left hand side is the first room. Yeah, opposite to the CMC hospital, straight there will be a road. After coming straight, the first left, then the right. Sorry, first left, then the second left, and you will find the hotel. It's again reading is totally written Banerjee and it's only one hotel. So it's 5:10 in the afternoon and we are all ready to go, all set ready to go to the Golden Temple. So it's a really good place. So it's really good, very good place. So I've been once in 2010 last. So it's been 9 years since I went there. So I'm not sure. So I'm not sure how much change it's been. Let's see. We'll be going. Let's see. Ma'am, any comment?
the vlog is going to end here because there's no charge in my action cam, no charges on me. I'm totally tired. Yesterday we went to the Golden Temple, we had fun. I couldn't vlog, the charge it was gone. Another thing, we have to keep our phones in the locker. It was really epic and good. I'll download some pictures from Google and I'll show you guys. It's a really good temple and I really miss it. Anyways, I'm starting from now at 4:20 now in the morning. We will hopefully reach home by 10. That's the guess I have. Okay, with that said, thank you for watching this video without any content. Hope you guys like this one. If you like, do like, share, subscribe. I know there's no content at all in each and every video, and I'm still saying to like and subscribe. I'm trying my best to get the content out of it. I'm coming up for 300 kilometers, but no use. Everything is getting missed. So with that said, thank you for watching the video, guys, and see you in the next one.